Welcome everybody. In today's video we are going to learn how to place a text behind trees like this. Okay, it's very easy to do. It's like just placing the text behind the background, okay, where it can just be moved around and without having issue with wherever you place it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to bring in your document. Let's delete this text because we don't want it again, and let's just have our layer here like this. Okay, let's bring in our text, which is actually the first thing, and you can type whatever you want. Let's say hello there, and let's put the exclamation mark and click OK. So let's use the move tool to scale it to whatever we want and just click OK. Hello there. Okay, I'm having a typo error here. Let's remove this E and just click OK. I want the text to just be in the background. Okay, what you do is to double click this gray area. It's going to bring in the blended option, and so because our text is black, we're going to work on the underlying layer, which is actually black, and you just need to hold the Alt key and just drag. Okay, this is going to keep adjusting until you see our text just appearing in the back. Okay, just keep dragging until once you see it like this. You can also come and adjust this one just to have it have a cleaner positioning. Okay, once you see it like this, just click OK, and there you go, you have your text right here. So you can position it anywhere in the background. As far as the background is white, the text is going to penetrate and be at the back, okay, without you doing any multiple selection and all of that. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 60 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.